communicate, challenge, achieve.
Hi and welcome to the Grand Series by Asia One Magazine and URS Media, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21. Through this series, we attempt to showcase some of the awe-inspiring success stories of eminent brands and leaders from all over the world who have immensely contributed towards the growth of the world economy. The curtain raiser is from none other than the man behind the vision for greatest brands and leaders, Mr. Rajat Rod Shukl, Global Head and Principal Partner, URS Media Consulting and Asia One Magazine.
Asia onto one platform. And that's when we thought of, these brands which were called the Asia's Greatest Brands and Leaders. We own intellectual properties like the world's greatest brands and leaders, Asia JCC, and India's greatest brands and leaders as well. And the entire vision behind this, award summits and brand and leader listings and feature in the magazine was because, when I was growing up and, I'm sharing my own passion with you. And I saw that, when we would think about the greatest brands, we would start thinking about some of the European and the American brands. And we would never think about, many of the Asian brands. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, all of you here today, represent your own brands and your own industries and your own corporates who are doing extremely well.
We also have a message from a special guest, Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Government of India, Shri Anurag Singh Thakur, on the initiatives taken by the government to fight COVID-19.
Thank you for recognizing the efforts taken by the Modi government during the COVID-19 pandemic. It wasn't an easy task. The world was facing a challenge of COVID-19 pandemic. The choice was whether to save lives, livelihoods, or the economy. Now in that situation, our first priority was to save lives. After the lockdown, we built our capacities, whether manufacturing PPE kits to the COVID-19 vaccine. From net importer of PPE kits, we have become the largest exporter of PPE kits as well as the COVID-19 vaccine to the world. At the same time, the steps taken during the COVID-19 was the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, first to provide food, grains, pulses and all to the poorest of the poor, to 800 million people. For 8 months, free food, grains, pulses have been provided by the Government of India, by the Modi government. At the same time, thousands of crore rupees has been transferred to the accounts of needy people who wanted it. At the same time, to help the business houses, the small entrepreneurs, we have asked the banks to come forward and we have given more than 3 lakh crore rupees under the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme.
The main aim of the Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia, Middle East, Africa series is to highlight the actual drivers of Asia's and Africa's economic engine. In fact, these greatest brands and leaders have been playing a significant role in shaping the economy of the world and Asia. Let's get started with the most coveted category, which is Asia One Person of the Year 2020-21. The greatest brands and leaders that are being awarded under this category are Mr. Parvez Jasani, Chief Executive Officer, Selpay, Stafford, USA.
Making mobile recharge simple and secure. Selpay is a company providing alternative payment solutions in the prepaid wireless industry. And Parvez Jasani, CEO at Selpay, has been and is still an industry leader with years of experience in the IT and telecom industry. Mr. Jasani has left no stone unturned in his quest to bring in innovation. He has made some out-of-the-box implementations to revolutionize his industry. His biggest challenge was to develop a system which can enable a consumer to make payments through multiple platforms such as online, phone IVR, and walk-ins. This was solved by developing a complete new platform, CellPay US, and making this available to the consumers. His next big challenge was the payment processing, and CellPay settled this through their payment processing partners and their bank. CellPay has become the leader in the prepaid industry, and their reputation is built on the ability to provide the best customer service and the ability to listen to retailers and distributors for a new feature or product enhancements. As a result of his strategic thinking, CellPay was ranked as the 5th fastest growing company in America by Inc. 5000 in 2020, and Mr. Pervez was made the Corporate Leader of the Year 2019 by Hum FM USA.
We don't serve only top-up, we serve convenience to the customer. All we ask them the phone number, a plan, and we make their payment instantly. There is no another data stored in CellPay. CellPay, we treat our customer as a family, and due to this, our growth was 25,000% in 2020. And Inc. magazine ranked us the 5th fastest growing company in 2020. And 2021, our expected revenue is going to be $95 million.
Mr. Graham Wright, Head Compliance and Operations, Euro Exim Bank Limited.
Established in 2015, Euro Exim Bank Limited, a reputed global trade financial specialist with a trusted network of global contacts and correspondents, is one of the fastest growing international financial institutions. Headquartered in St. Lucia, West Indies, with a representative office in London, the bank facilitates international trades with registered corporates and SMEs based in key markets in the Far East, Africa, and India. An innovative global financial institution with Class A international banking license, the bank is authorized and regulated, conducting businesses with third parties across industries and geographies worldwide, exercising strong due diligence, full compliance and operational excellence across the life cycle of trade. Euro Exim Bank, one of the fastest growing international institutions of the financial services sector, is looking forward to expanding its operations in Singapore, Dubai and Chennai, taking maximum advantage of the sustained rise in trade and volume.
We started as a small payments institution in 2015, but soon realised that competing in the very competitive space of payments processing, even online systems, was not going to provide us with a sustainable long-term business model. What we did have though is people who were involved in looking at international trade, how we could facilitate the movement and issuance of financial instruments to ensure that goods could travel cross-border in a most unhindered way, making sure that all the terms and conditions could be complied with, especially helping small companies in their efforts to export and import globally. Our objectives really are providing those financial instruments, the letters of credit, standby letters of credit, performance bonds and guarantees, to make sure that every trade in its particular jurisdiction, through its path and through the journey and through the ecosystem of trade, is handled correctly. And we've become very adept at doing that, and we're also growing our sales teams to ensure we can offer these cost competitive, efficient services globally.
And now it's time for a short break. You stay tuned and we will be right back with panoramic presentations of some of the most amazing success stories of greatest brands and leaders.
When you live in a fast-moving, ever-changing world, life brings forth unlimited possibilities. Yours to explore, excite, enjoy, educate, evaluate, and elucidate with Elan. Never stop moving forward with Darwin Platform Group. Darwin Platform Group, the visionaries.
Welcome back to the Grand Series, namely Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21, powered by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. Continuing, the next titles are Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2020-21 and India's Greatest Brands and Leaders 2020-21. The leaders and the brands that are being awarded under these categories are Mr. Pradeep Kumar Nair, Promoter, CEO, Sevasik Oman, SAOC, and Promoter, CEO, Skyline Dukum.
Green chemistry for clean tomorrow. Sebasik Oman SAOC is the world's largest biorefinery in the Sultanate of Oman. This project is a joint venture between Omani businessman His Excellency Hilal bin Khalid Al Mawali and India's prominent businessman Mr. Pradeep Nair. With the investment of $62 million, Sebasik Oman plant is built over an area of 400,000 square meters and is the first heavy industrial project to be established in the Duqm SEZ. This project is the result of the vision of His Excellency Hilal bin Khalid Al Mawali, the company's chairman, to fuel growth and massive development of a non-oil economy in the Sultanate. Sebasik is processed from castor oil and is used to manufacture derivatives for making bio-nylons, sun protection creams, lubricants, antifreeze, aerospace polymers, and various types of pharmaceuticals. This project complements the vision of His Majesty Hiatham bin Tariq for industrial diversification, social development, and regional prosperity. The project provides opportunity for large-scale contract farming for industrial purposes and commitment towards green chemistry. A product which has been carefully chosen by Mr. Nair, which starts from farming to aerospace applications, is the need of the future. Green chemicals from vegetable sources should be the commitment of mankind to future generations. Tapping into the right opportunities at the right time is one of the strengths of Mr. Nair. Mr. Pradeep Kumar is also the first in real estate master development in Duqm. Skyline Duqm is a 6,000 square meters beachfront integrated tourism project in Oman. Oman residency is available to buyers of this property in this ITC. Pandemic has not dampened the spirits of Mr. Nair, who believes that times will change soon and businesses will grow stronger.
My vision is we are spending billions on exploring new planets. We should use the same amount of money to make the earth cleaner and greener. We should give our future generations an earth which is better than what we inherited. I am the owner of Sebasik Oman, one of the largest biorefineries in Gulf, manufacturing green chemicals and bio-nylons from castor oil. I am also the owner of Skyline Duqm, one of the real estate projects, master development sea-facing in Oman. To create this large industry, the first one in Duqm, we had the best young and talented engineers, none above 40. The youngsters today are very brilliant, energetic, and they are ready to work in harsh conditions. This made us achieve the best plant and the largest plant in Duqm.
Mr. S. Durga Prasad, co-founder, director, and group CEO, Bhavan Cybertech Group.
Driving digital transformation. Bhavan Cybertech is a global provider of digital transformation solutions in the areas of predictive analytics, digital experience, and digital supply chain management. Established in 1999, it has delivered solutions in 20 countries across North America, the Middle East, Far East, Africa, and Asia. Driving innovation through outcome-based business models, proven and powerful IP solutions, BCT is a trusted partner for over 1,000 plus customers, including Fortune 500 companies. With strong capabilities in digital technologies, BCT has over 3,000 associates with a strong technical and domain expertise, delivering solutions to the energy, telecom, government, banking, retail, and SCM and logistic verticals. With a focus on connected innovation, PCT has partnered with leading global technology organizations to deliver differentiated value to the customers.
Bhavan Cybertech was incepted in the year 1999. Since inception, we built this organization as a hybrid entity, focusing on partnership with technology leaders, lead in the spaces that they play, and also focus on digital transformation built on deep domain and intellectual property that help our clients transform their business. With this premise, BCT today is a 3,000 member organization spread across 20 locations and 4 continents. As we grew, we have built our organization into 3 buckets. 1, we focused again on the deep technology partnerships with our leaders. Second, on the digital engine, we have 4 offerings. One is the digital experience capture in the real time called DropThought, where it focuses on customer experience, employee heartbeat, healthcare, education industry vertical, and several others in the making. And with deep analytics, we are able to predict what a customer would want or employee is seeking for, and so on and so forth. On the second element, we focused on digital supply chain, where we delivered one of the world's largest transformation contract, the upstream oil and gas sector, and that delivered tremendous amount of efficiency and effectiveness for our clients. Second is on the fuel station automation, where we have done huge amount of transformation for several oil companies in the Middle East and in India. Third element is Retina, where we deliver predictive analytics for the energy sector, more for the renewable energy sector. And the fourth is RT360, where we deliver early warning system for the banking and fintech companies, which can help them to predict the non-performing assets as they evolve. With this, we have now focused on AI ML application on all of these platforms to ensure that we are able to give the leadership in a sustained manner to our clients. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our chairperson who led us from the front and all the people who have contributed to the growth of this organization, giving not only their very best, but at the same time doing a lot of research in ensuring that we are in a leadership position in the spaces that we play. Thank you.
Mr. Anand Rajan, Managing Director, Nutty Nest.
Giving you more for less. Nutty Nest is a healthy snack alternative to all the junk food. Nature's finest at the most affordable rates. That is what Nutty Nest strives to bring to you. It is the tastiest, healthiest nuts from across the world that are handpicked and lovingly processed with no additives. Made by Ansika Trading Private Limited, ATPL, this is a family-run traditional multifaceted business with specialization in cashew nuts. It is founded and based in Kanyakumari district and has over 4 decades of experience. They have presence across Asia and are one of the top quality importers and exporters of cashews. They have manufacturing facilities in 3 countries and are trading across 7. ATPL is actively engaged in bringing the finest quality across a wide range of cashew nuts. All cashews are sorted and processed in the traditional way, with human eyes and hands ensuring only the best quality nuts make it to your table, both in local and in international markets.
We started Nutty Nest in 2018 with an aim to bring healthy snacks products to the masses. First, we launched our cashews in 6 unique flavors. We have seen tremendous success since launching in Tamil Nadu, and now we are available in many other states. Nutty Nest will also make almonds, pistas and many associated products like chocolates, ice creams and nut-based milks. We want to create an umbrella of healthy foods that taste great and feel even better. No more need for junk food. I thank my team for facing all the challenges of 2020 and ensuring that Nutty Nest remains on course to meet its objectives.
And now it's time for another short break, but you stay tuned as we will be right back with some more awe-inspiring success sagas of various brands and leaders.
When you live in a fast-moving, ever-changing world, life brings forth unlimited possibilities. Yours to explore, excite, enjoy, educate, evaluate, and elucidate with elan. never stop moving forward with Darwin Platform Group. Darwin Platform Group, the visionaries.
Welcome back to the grand series called Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21 by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. The upcoming categories are Asia One Women Empowerment Leaders 2020-21 in association with UN Global Compact Network, which recognizes the awe-inspiring achievements of some great women from varied spheres, and India's fastest growing brands and leaders 2020-21. The leaders and brands that are being awarded under these categories are Ms. Taruna Patel, CEO, MTech Engineering Company and Madhuban Resort and Spa.
Created amidst verdant greenery of Charatar near Anand in Gujarat and spread over 25 acres, Madhuban Resort and Spa is the creation of Chairman and Managing Director of MTCI Engineering Company, Praswan Patel, and his wife Taruna Patel, CEO of MTCI Engineering Company and Madhuban Resort, heading operations and administration. It was the dream of ethno-contemporary resort, the best in its class, that transformed into reality in the form of Madhuban Resort and Spa, named by fusing names of Mr. Patel's mother, Madhuban, and his father, Bhanubai. It is a first of its kind in Gujarat. The property includes state-of-the-art cottages and suites, all well curated. Its impressive list of facilities includes 5-star restaurants, 2 pools, a tennis academy, and an amphitheatre. At the center of all is its healing spa and naturopathy center, set amidst tranquil landscaped environment that offers a range of treatments from Ayurvedic and herbal to international holistic therapies, each tailor-made to rekindle a symphony of senses. These rituals offer the highest quality of mindful, effective skincare and body therapies administered by a carefully selected team of experienced and dedicated professionals for those seeking to revive, rejuvenate the body and the soul. Madhuban, conveniently accessible from Vadodara and Ahmedabad, is 108 rooms and many venues to count. It is also a perfect wedding venue as it is a place to plan a large conference, an intimate meeting, or conduct your businesses one-on-one in luxury-soaked traditional environment.
I was born and brought up in East Africa and UK. After schooling and a short career with IBM, I moved to USA and joined Trans World Airlines, TWA, as a flight attendant. This perhaps widened my vision and goals. My vision in helping me to set my goals of wanting to be a working woman and an entrepreneur, apart from being a spouse and a mom. Having been in diverse businesses of the family after marriage now for more than 30 years with very strong principles of the family, my motto in life is to wake up with a determination and go to bed with satisfaction. And determination is what eventually turned into a success story of Madhuban Resort and Spa, a dream project of my husband Praswan Patel. And now after 11 years, Madhuban Resort and Spa is among the finest resorts in the country and of course the only 5-star deluxe resort in Gujarat. Our commitment in marketing and sales through our impeccable service, together with the upkeep of this 5-star property, comparable to any such properties of the world, we have excelled, survived and created our own niche in the hospitality industry.
Zila Guflani, Head of the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, Middle East.
Founded in 1904, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, or ACCA, is the global professional accounting body headquartered in London. With its consistently held unique core values, opportunity, diversity, innovation, integrity, and accountability, ACCA works through a network of over 104 offices and centers in 52 countries, with 323 approved learning partners and more than 7,300 approved employers worldwide who provide employee development. As a head of ACCA in the Middle East, Fazila Goplani has a responsibility for leading the operations in 11 countries for the global body of professional accountants. ACCA in the region represents more than 20,000 students, affiliates and members who work in all sectors and all levels of business across the Middle East. Managing and building relationships with the regulators, business leaders and strategic partners, she works with the network of members to influence debate on key issues that impact the ongoing economic development of the region. She also works with the educational institutions and government bodies to encourage new generations to undertake a career in accountancy and finance.
The purpose of ACCA is to be a force for public good and lead the global accounting profession by creating opportunity. Our vision is to be number one in developing the accounting profession the world needs. And in order to fulfill our purpose and realize our vision, we need to remain true to our three key values: inclusivity, integrity, and innovation. One of my fundamental roles is as a thought leader for all things accounting and finance. ACCA believes that accountancy is a cornerstone profession of society that supports both public and private sectors. And that's why I act as a conversation starter, raising awareness around the integral role that accountants play to businesses and economies. Some highlights of my leadership would be retaining our client base when family circumstances forced me to take over running my father's accounting practice, working at one of the Big Four accounting firms, to more recently being recognized as one of the top 35 women of influence in the Arab world 2021 by CEO Magazine Middle East. In recognition,
Mr. Anil Kejriwal, founder i2Cure.
i2Cure was founded on a simple idea: to provide the world with products that gave more than just short-term superficial protection against germs and microbes. A complete range of COVID defense products based on molecular iodine science. Unlike the alcohol-based sanitizer products, just 2 drops of i2Cure can keep you protected for 6 hours. Since i2 is delivered directly into your skin, it can't be washed away, be it the health of your hands, nostrils, throat or eyes. Molecular iodine can keep you safe against COVID transmission. It is a game changer as there are no known pathogens in the world that are resistant to iodine. i2 gets under the skin and outgasses as colorless, odorless vapor, thereby killing all viruses, bacteria, fungi that come in contact. The application of the molecular iodine COVID Defense BioShield inside the nostrils, on the lips, throats and eye wash turns them into an antimicrobial surface. Both COVID patients as well as unaffected family members can use it, since it ensures 99.999% reduction in the viral load, thereby stopping the transmission. Moreover, iodine plus glycerine nourishes and hydrates the skin as opposed to dry and cracked skin from alcohol-based products.
Actively, during the pandemic lockdown, I got a lot of time to think and evaluate this whole project. Although I've been talking to the godfather of molecular iodine, Dr. Jack Kessler, for some time, and about his 2 to 3 decades of research on creating molecular iodine. Iodine has been known to people for more than 200 years, and he has been researching on molecular iodine for about 2 to 3 decades. Iodine had major problem of color and stability. Iodine was not stable in form of povidone or betadine for more than 10 ppm, whereas Dr. Kessler managed to stabilize it up to 20 to 30,000 ppm. So we become like a nuclear bomb of iodine for any kind of cure, which was very slow process by povidone iodine. We decided to start with a COVID protection product under the name of I2Cure because that was the requirement of the day. The pandemic was there and all kinds of illogical cures were being offered. So we came out with a protection for COVID for 12 hours by applying just once in a day. We have found this as a game changer for COVID, but of course this is not end of the story. There will be a lot of future predicted viruses, bacteria and funguses attacking the human being, and we can find cure by molecular iodine to fight most of them.
Now those were the awe-inspiring success sagas of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and be safe.